flag rises because a nation stands. A nation stands because its people remain united. And unity survives only when vigilance never sleeps. Threats do not always arrive in uniform. Sometimes they come as fear, sometimes as division, sometimes as misinformation designed to weaken the nation's resolve. The answer has always been the same: prepared minds, disciplined institutions, united citizens. This Independence Day, let us honor every individual who serves Pakistan with integrity and every citizen who chooses responsibility over division. The greatest tribute to independence is protecting it every day together. Pakistan Zindabad.